A very cheerful morning to all my cheerful children. So, kids, yesterday we learned about the festivals, right? We read the chapter Festivals Are Fun. I hope you all have done the reading practice twice as we promised, right? Okay, so you learned about different festivals, that is Navroz, Gurpurab, Eid, Diwali, and Holi. You also learned about the different facts related to all these festivals, right? So now you must be able to do the back exercise given at the back of the chapter, right? Like for example, I will just explain you how to go with it. You have to solve it, you have to do it on your own, right? So like here, answer these questions. When is Christmas celebrated? You can write the answer here only. When is Christmas celebrated? 25th of December. What is Navroz? New Year. It marks the beginning of New Year. It's a festival. Parsi New Year. When is Gurpurab celebrated? On Guru Nanak Ji's birthday. On which festival do we play with colored water? Yes, Holi. Okay, now here, who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. I'll go home and help Mummy bake a cake. Who said that? Dora. On Navroz, we make a special sweet called Ravo. Who said that? Eva. I love Eid. Who said these words? Alia. It is the festival of lights. Who said these words? Veer. So here you are just going to write up the names. Now on the next page, these hints are given to you and you have to fill the missing letters, right? Like the birthday of Jesus Christ, Christmas. Here you just have to write M and A. You have to complete the spellings. The birthday of Guru Nanak, Guru Purab. Festival of lights, Diwali. Festival of colors, Holi. The festival after Ramzan, Eid. The Parsi New Year, Navroz. Okay, you have to fill this. Next, match the words. These are the actions what we do with the following, like sing a song, drink what? Boat, cake, bubbles, water or sweater? Water. Drink water. Knit a sweater. Row a boat. We row a boat. Bake a cake. Blow bubbles. Okay. Now next is circle the correct spelling. This is the correct spelling. Circle Christmas, friend, special, festival, decorate, candle. These are the correct spellings. Now here this exercise belongs to this use of this is and these are. I want to tell you that this and that are used for singular and these and those are used for plural. This and that for singular, these and those for plural. And you know it already that we use is with singular and are with plurals. So we can continue with this exercise here on the next page, like blackboard is singular, so this. Teacher, singular, so this. Beds, S hai, it means plural, so here we will write these. Bags, these. Children, plural, these. Room is singular, so this. Now here you have to write that or those. Same thing for plural we will write those. For singular we will write that. Kites, those. Kitten, that. Rocket, that. House, that. Doors, S laga hai, it means plural, those. Dolls, those. Now again here this or these. This is Hari's bag. These are toys. The drum makes a loud noise. These toys are so colorful. These cars run fast. Okay. Now This is listening part. This is we will not do this. Writing. You have to write here, like name the festival you like the most. So you will write the name of the festival I like. For example, Diwali, or you can write Christmas. When is it celebrated? It is celebrated on 25th December. How is it celebrated? We bake a cake, or whatever you do, we decorate a Christmas tree. What do you do on that day? I like to meet family and friends on this day. Okay, so this way you have to complete this back exercise. Now, other thing we are going to do today is the keywords of the chapter. So you will write chapter name and the keywords. Festivals. 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 Friends. 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 Cake. 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 Special. 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 You need to learn all these spellings, right? And you know the method that keep on repeating the letters like special, special, and then cover it and then speak the spelling again. Birthday. 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 Decorate. Deco. 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 Rate. Decorate. Enjoy. 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 Lights. 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 Candles. 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 Sweets. 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 Colors. 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 Now these are the name of the festivals which you really need to learn the spellings of these festivals, so that you are able to write the answers of the questions that we will be doing in the coming days. Christmas. Christ. Christmas. MAS. Navroz. Nav. Navroz. Guru Purab. Guru. Purab. Purab. Gurudwara. Guru. Dwara. Gurudwara. Eid. 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 Diwali. 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 Holi. 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 Ravo. Ravo. Sevain. 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 These are the two dishes. Ravo is made on Navroz and Sevain is made on Eid. So these are the keywords which you have to write in your notebook first of all, and then slowly every day you can learn 5 words. Every day start learning 5 words, and then it will be very easier for you. Okay, so for today you have to do the back exercise of the chapter, and you have to note down all these keywords in your notebook. After that, from the next day you have to start learning 5 keywords every day. Okay kids, that's all for today. Bye bye, take care.